How to find your Tonkeeper wallet address. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to find your Tonkeeper wallet address. This is super useful if you're looking to deposit or withdraw Ton from your Tonkeeper wallet. This is a step-by-step guide, so make sure to follow along closely to avoid any mistakes. So let's get started. To start, you'll first need to launch your Tonkeeper wallet app. If you haven't already logged in, go ahead and log into your account now. So first, make sure you're on the home page, as this is where we'll be doing everything. So make sure you're on this screen. Now, once you're on the home page, you should see your main wallet displayed at the top. If you have multiple wallets, you can view them by tapping the drop-down arrow next to your wallet. This will bring up a list of all wallets currently available in your Tonkeeper app. Now, just select the wallet address you want to find. Once you've selected it, you'll see your current balance at the top of the screen. Right below that, you'll see your wallet address. To copy the wallet address, just tap on it. When you do, you'll see a message saying copied. This means you've successfully copied your Tonkeeper wallet address. Now you can use it to deposit or withdraw Ton as needed. If you'd like more information about your wallet address, tap the gear icon in the top right corner to go into settings. Scroll down until you find the Address Update option and tap on it. Here, you'll see both your old and new wallet addresses if they've been updated, and you can copy either one from this section as well. And that's it. You have successfully found your Tonkeeper wallet address. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down in the comments below. I'll do my best to help. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel.